This is my project for web services, the project one. It is called Good Morning News Aggregator. The goal of this project is to present a person with a great way to start their day by having one application where they can catch up with the latest news and also weather for the day so that they can plan ahead. I am going to use three APIs. Two of them are from the news API, where I'm going to use the API everything, which helps us to search via keyword, and top headlines, which helps us to get the latest headlines for the country, which I will be using as United States. The other one is the open weather map, which gives us the current weather, and I'm using the API where we can get the current weather by passing on the city name. So my application is this. It is a web application, and now I will give a demo. So when we run this application on the landing page, we will see that there are two options, news and weather, and we chose to start with news. So this gives us to filter the news that we want to read, and we can select it by category like top headlines and keywords. If we select top headlines and click submit, then it will take us to the headlines page. So I have a breakpoint here because I wanted to show that we are getting JSON as a response in this way, which we are going to display in our view. So here we see the top headlines of the day. So it's general category and is showed by relevancy and popularity. And if we go back and we select keywords, in the keywords we can add anything. For example, we can add government, submit, and we continue. Here we will see that for government all the popular headlines are being shown. Okay, now we can go to weather. In weather we can enter any US city. US city is set as default, but we can always change that. And US city we can add Lansing. It will show that it is currently cloudy, the temperature, precipitation, etc. So now previously I added a breakpoint to show the raw data that we are getting. Here I am displaying the XML response which I am getting and which I am using to show the data here, so that we can just cross check. So this was what my demo was. If we look at the code, we will see that here are the APIs that I've used. This is the code for JSON, and I have used the MVC architecture, so it is all controller and views and models, etc. So this is for the news, this is for the weather controller, and because I'm using XML, I'm using XElement, and it returns both in XML and JSON and in HTML also, so I'm setting the mode as XML. So this is my project. Thank you.